Hey guys, I'm Dipankar back with another video, and in today's video I will be talking about Xiaomi's new phone Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro. The phone comes in two different variants, 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM variants, priced at Rs 14,000 and 16,000 respectively. The phone comes with similar build as in its predecessor, but there are few notable changes. The most notable change is the presence of display notch. If you don't like the notch, you can also hide it, and this is how the phone looks after hiding the notch. At the right side of the phone, it has volume rocker and power button. At the left side, it has SIM card slot where you can insert either two SIM cards or one SIM card and a micro SD card. At the top side, it has headphone jack and infrared sensor. At the base side, it has micro USB and speaker grills. If you look at the back, the vertical dual ear camera setup is at the top left corner and fingerprint sensor is on the middle. The phone has similar metal unibody build we have seen in other Xiaomi phones in the past, and I feel nothing wrong in this. The phone features a 6.26-inch Full HD Plus 2.5D curved glass display. The display also has Corning Gorilla Glass protection. The display looks good, it is bright, it offers good color reproduction and nice viewing angles. The phone runs on MIUI based on Android 8.1 Oreo. I have already talked about MIUI in several Xiaomi videos, so I am not gonna repeat that. The phone packs 1.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 636 processor with Adreno 509 GPU. It comes in 4GB and 6GB RAM options. This is the same setup we saw in Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. So the performance of this phone will be similar. It will offer good daily usage and good gaming experience. You get 64GB of storage, and you can also expand the storage up to 256GB. But the phone comes with hybrid slot, so you can either expand the storage or use two SIMs. The phone has a dual camera on the back with 12 megapixels primary f1.9 sensor and 5 megapixels secondary depth sensor, along with dual PDAF, EIS and dual tone LED flash. It also has a dual camera setup at the front with 20 megapixels primary and 2 megapixels secondary depth sensor. In portrait photos, you can change the bokeh effect anytime later. Other features include studio lighting and light trails. These are few photos that I captured using the camera of Redmi Note 6 Pro. The phone supports both face unlock and fingerprint unlock. The phone also supports Wi-Fi pass-through where the hotspot can transmit the data from Wi-Fi source. If you have multiple devices but can only connect one to Wi-Fi, connect your Redmi Note 6 Pro and create hotspot to connect other devices to your phone and access Wi-Fi data on all the devices. The phone packs 4000 mAh battery and also supports Quick Charge 3.0, but you need to buy Quick Charge 3 adapter separately. This was the overview of Redmi Note 6 Pro. I have not tested the device yet, so I cannot claim anything about performance, camera or battery. If you have anything to ask, you can leave it in the comment and I will reply it as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next video.